Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung kayo po'y bago sa aking channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa ibaba at i-click nyo na rin ang bell button para lagi kayong update sa aking mga vlog na ipopost. So another day, another vlog. So nandito po tayo sa Iur. As always, here in Rome. So okay, samahan nyo po ako. Mag-iikot-ikot tayo ngayon. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga ilang lugar na kalimitan na pinupuntahan. Okay, tara na. Let's go. So itong nasa unahan natin, ito ay isang park na puntahan ng mga tao during day off. So maganda dito, malamig dahil malapit siya sa isang river o sa ilog. Nakalimitan yan, nakikita nyo yan. Kalimitan na dito nagpa-practice pag may canoe o yung pamamangka, canoa. So ayan, nakikita nyo sa ating unahan, yan, maraming tao na namamasyal kasi maganda ang panahon ngayon kahit winter dito sa Rome. Okay. So ngayon pupunta naman tayo sa isang lugar na kung saan puntahan ng mga tao. Yun yung tinatawag na San Paolo Church. Okay, maglalakad tayo papunta doon. Again, nakikita nyo mga puno dahil winter dito, so nanlagas lahat ang mga dahon. So ito yung lugar papunta dun sa sinasabi kong St. Paul Church. So maganda siya, elevated. Okay, let's continue to go there. So ang sarap maglakad ngayon dahil kahit malamig siya, may sikat ang araw, so bali nami-minimize niya yung lamig. So may mga tao ding naglalakad, nag-window shopping dahil still sale here in Rome. Yan o, salde. Sale, it means sale. So okay guys, malapit na tayo doon sa ating pupuntahan, St. Paul Church. So kung nakikita nyo dyan sa may unahan, yung hagdan na yun yung paakyat. So okay, nandito na tayo sa may baba sa harapan nitong St. Paul Church. Ang structure niya para yung nasa India. Okay, lalakarin natin yan, papasok tayo dun, aakyat tayo dun sa taas. So ito yung may hagdan papunta dun sa taas. Hindi man siya masyadong mataas, elevated lang yung kanyang lugar. Yan, ito ay isa sa pinaka sikat na church dito kasi maganda yung lugar niya at saka malaki siya. So aside from Vatican, San Giovanni, at saka isa ito sa church na kung saan ay mas maraming bumibisita at pumupunta. So we almost arrived at the proper, so here in St. Paul Church. So both side of these stairs is full of white flowers, roses. Look at this. This is the other side, the right side, full of white flowers. So in front of this church there is two statue or the two important saint in this church. Okay, let's see the name. So actually there is no name written on the statue, so but I'm sure this is Saint Paul, that one, Saint Paul as per Catholic Church or Christian. So that is the center. Okay, we already here. Look at this both side. So there is a convent So let's try to get in if it is open. Yeah, it's open.
Bago niya pinag-iisang pusang buhay, pinaghati-hati na iyon at inabot sa kanyang mga lagat at sinabi, "Tanggapin ninyong lahat ito at kanin. Ito ang aking katawan na ihahando para sa inyo." Isinasama natin kami magsasalo-salo sa katawan at dugo ni Kristo na ipapuklod sa pagkakaisa sa pamamagitan ng Espiritu Santo.
So ito yung pinakagitna ng simbahan. Okay guys, so hindi ko ina-expect na Filipino mass pala yun. Okay, so let's try to roaming around in this church. Actually guys, dito sa Rome, marami dito mga simbahan na every Sunday may mga Filipino mass, except sa Vatican. Sa Vatican, bihira lang. A year, maybe once or 2-3 times a year. But in outside the Vatican, so maraming mga church na every Sunday may Filipino mass. Okay, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Let's continue to roaming around here. So this is the back of the church. So look at the views. As what I said, this is an elevated place. So that's why kapag dito ka pumuwesto, makikita mo magandang views. So ito yan. So yan, makikita mo ang ibang parte ng road. Okay, tayo doon sa kabilang parte. Okay, nandito tayo sa kabilang side ng church. Okay guys, another building, nice building in front of us. So let's climb over there. Let's see what is the name of that building. Actually guys, this district or this place, this is the center of business in Rome. The name is Iur. Okay. So let's walk to get there. So walking is also an exercise, so this is good. So here we are. So guys, tinanong ko siya, I asked somebody, an Italian. So they told me this is a square Colosseum or a palace for the science work. So about scienza for work. So it's very nice. So that's why when I get inside the Colosseum, I see this one. That's why they called it Colosseum Square or Square of Colosseum. To both sides there is a statue of horse together with the statue of a man. The other side is that one. So the other parts beside here. So that's what I told you. This is a center of business district in Rome. Okay guys, we're still here in Iur, in the center of business. So it's still walking along in this street. Okay guys, we walk to the underground station. So this is one of the main street in front of us. The name is Via Cristoforo Colombo. So this is the Via Cristoforo Colombo, one of the main street. So during working days, this street is very traffic every day because almost all the working people, the car is passing here. Okay, now we go to the underground station. So look at the building here. Is almost not like a skyscraper, but because the main office is all are here. Here one. We are still constructing the tall building. So in front of us is the Euro Palace Port, wherein the concert, the ball game, almost activity is held here. So actually guys, in this place is the final destination of underground train Metro B. The name is EUR, the center of business in Rome. So kung ikukumpara natin sa Pilipinas, ito ang Makati or Ortigas. Okay guys, we arrived at the station of underground train. That in front of us, letter M, the red one. Okay guys, we arrived at the underground train station.